Gemini. This is a Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Gemini? Kamusta ang puso? Nakapili na ba ng mamahalin? Alright, so announce ko lang ulit yung sale ng crystals natin. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the enlightened guide. Okay, nakasale pa rin ng crystals natin. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, authentic. Okay, yun yung magagaranti ko sa inyo. And then, okay, sabihan ko lang kayo na hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo isa-isa. So, if you're ready for your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. At ang nag-iisang account ng Mystic Silent ay Kai_Angeles. Okay, ingat po. So, Gemini. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of January. For your personal reading, send me a direct message. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's see kung anong meron. Kamusta ang pag-ibig, Gemini? Kamusta ang pag-ibig? Kamusta? Okay? Again, ingat ha. Ingat sa mga nagme-message. Hindi ako magme-message sa inyo. Okay? PM me for your personal reading. Okay. So, nakagawa ng decision. Congratulations, Gemini! Nakagawa ng decision! Okay. Yan ang gusto ko. Nakagawa ng desisyon to focus on your financial stability at sabi mo, you feel tight din sa work. Okay? So, find the balance. Kung kailangan ng bakasyon, kung kailangan like magpahinga, to have a quick break, kahit coffee break lang yan. Okay? So, right now, mas nagiging careful ka na about work. May hinahanap ka na balance sa trabaho. At pag nagbibigay ka ng effort sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, binabalanse mo rin kung nare-reciprocate ka na. Hindi na tulad dati na bulag sa pag-ibig. Yan tayo eh. Baka pwedeng pa-laser pa yan. Kayo talaga. Six of Swords, you're trying to move forward, but there's a masculine here na nahihirapang magkaroon ng transformation para sa kanya. But sabi ng masculine, lahat ng kaya niyang ayusin sa buhay niya, thinking, finances, nagmo-move forward siya. Okay? Though the masculine is having like a hard time. Wag green-minded. The masculine is having a hard time right now. So, the Seven of Swords, nagkaroon ng dishonesty dito sa connection na to. The feminine feels so betrayed about this. Okay. Merong ipinaglalaban na may isang connection, stable connection, nahihirapang ipaglaban because right now, I feel inuuna nyo na ayusan yung finances for now. You're trying to pray kay God at like humingi ng divine guidance because may mga bagay kang gustong ayusin sa buhay mo right now at hindi mo alam kung anong dapat gawin, kung anong tamang plano. Meron ka rin minamanifest for you to heal, finances man yan, or relationship na sabi mo gusto mong mag-move forward. May mga kaibigan din ikaw na parang I feel may mga chismis, no, na nagkakaroon ng you feel betrayed because nagkakaroon ng usap-usapan sa likod mo. Hayaan mo na. Focus lang sa success, finances. Let's see, Gemini, okay? To balance your heart chakra and your healing ng heart mo, Madagascar rose quartz. Okay? The pink crystal. To have mental clarity and to connect with the divine, the amethyst crystal. This is the rose quartz. Okay? So, the reason for the reading is in the past, nagkaroon ng broken heart here, disappointment, but I feel hindi naman natapos ang connection na to because the tower is in reverse. This is a very strong soul connection. This is also the Gemini energy. Kumapit ka pa rin in the past sa connection na to. Right now, recent past, nagkakaroon ng holding back na ng offer of love, yung feminine sa connection na to. Parang sarado yung heart chakra, sobrang nasaktan. But still being patient pa rin sa kanyang masculine. Nasabi niya, sige, tingnan natin kung ano yung actions or transformation na sinasabi ng masculine na to. Let's see kung maidi-deliver niya to. So, because of that, meron kang pinagpe-pray, sabi mo sana matapos na yung mga overthinking, yung conflict, magkaroon ka na ng mental clarity. Okay? If you have amethyst, just cleanse the crystal at bulungan mo ng manifestation mo for you to have mental clarity. But if not, we have amethyst here. Okay? PM nyo lang ako. Meron kang pinagpe-pray na for you to have mental clarity at magkaroon na rin ng linaw because you want a stable partnership. Meron kang hinihintay na good news because for now, sabi mo bakit parang wala namang nabibuild sa connection na to. Hindi mo alam kung magwa-walk away ka na, nahihirapan ka kasi yung person mo rin yung happiness mo. Kaya nagkakaroon na naman ng Gemini energy of yes or no. To say yes to this connection or not. Okay? So right now, itong connection that you're dealing with, may toxicity. Meron ding like a third energy na nai-involve. Pwedeng bisyo, may mga bisyo, toxicity, or like addiction sa isa't isa, pagiging possessive, pagiging obsessed sa isa't isa. May mga burden sa connection na to na gusto nyo nang tapusin. Okay? So, take action. Okay? Ano ba yung mga dapat i-cut off? Ano ba yung mga toxicity na dapat tanggalin? May bisyo ba? May bawal na pag-ibig ba dito na dapat iwasan? May mga dapat ayusin ba sa energy ng love connection na to? At gawin mo na yan para pagpasok ng 2025, maganda yung energy. Okay? For mental clarity, again, amethyst crystal connection with the divine. Kung may mga message man sa yung divine, for you to hear it clearly, amethyst, okay? The purple crystal. Sabi ng person mo, binigay din naman niya yung, like, alam niya, kaya niyang ibigay for this connection. But your person feels tied to their situation right now. Kaya sabi niya is nahihirapan siya na gumawa ng action para sa connection na to. Meron din siyang wish fulfillment para sa kanya at para sa inyong dalawa na sabi niya is paano nga ba daw niya gagawin to. So parang nagkakaroon ng, sabi natin, brainstorming kung ano ba talaga yung dapat gawin for this connection. Not just for this connection, but para sa like dreams ng person mo. Marami siyang pinaplano pero parang kulang sa action or kulang sa push. Push mo na! Okay. So, may mga, okay, the courage to do kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin, and to have good luck. Okay, favorite ko rin to, ang ating carnelian bracelet. Okay. Courage, motivation, and good luck. So, meron kang fear and doubt kung dapat bang madaliin mo yung mga situation sa buhay mo kasi gusto mo na sanang magkaroon ng good outcome. Napapagod ka na ka-effort sa connection na to. Okay? So, until the end of March, I feel the feminine here would focus on herself, her glow up, her personal transformation. Okay? Magiging like on and off tong connection na to. The masculine would feel defeated about this connection. Marami siyang gustong ayusin. Gagawa siya ng mga tamang decision. But I feel to move the connection forward at bigyan ng stability to. Parang marami pang question yung masculine on how to make this connection stable. Marami siyang ino-overthink. At iniisip niya parang magiging mabuting partner din ba siya, if ever. Kasi parang may inaayos din yung masculine sa sarili niya, especially sa finances. Okay? The happy crystal and to have happiness and abundance, good luck, the Brazilian citrine. Okay? Protection from bad energy. Nakita ko may chismis dito, bad juju, mga evil eye. If may nag-evil eye sa connection na to, the Madagascar black tourmaline, the protection stone. This is the love stone. This is for mental clarity and connection with the divine. Okay? So I feel magkakaroon ng balancing of energies here until the first quarter. Maraming pag-iisipan, maraming aayusin, maraming realignment. So meron kayong mga dapat pag-usapan kung saan nyo ba talaga gustong like papuntahin tong relationship na to. But I feel yung readiness, yung kailangan din ayusin sa relationship na to. Very Gemini energy. Okay? And that would be the reading for the month of July.